Alright, so we have some smelling salts.
Bro,
We've
this
not-
shit. It's called nosebleed, nose death. No, nose bleach. My
Yeah.
bad.
So
Right.
he's trying smelling salts. I've tried them. He's tried them already, but we didn't do it properly. We didn't shake it, so we're doing it properly this time.
How close should I put it?
Put it up to your nose, right, and then just go. Are you making up?
Get that shit away from it! Get that fucking shit away from it! Holy fuck! I'm crying so hard! Bro, that wasn't even me faking it, that was actually my genuine reaction.
Smell it.
Oh, holy fuck! That shit is so good. I recommend it. I recommend this shit, bro. I could such get PR on this, bro. Holy fuck! Everything's coming out, bro.
He took a big sniff.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Don't wipe it on your face and shit.
Oh, an idiot!
It's strong. Cody, you better send this to me.
Wait, I'll do it then.
Oh, that's strong.